250 Continental GT had everything a cafe racer should. No, it had everything a great cafe racer should. A brisk engine, clip-ons and rear sets, fiberglass racing tank, swept back exhaust. It was that good. A cafe racer this special, its launch had to be big. Like big. What's bigger than a 1,000-mile ride? A 1,000-mile ride in 24 hours, a 1,000-mile ride in 24 hours in really bad weather, a 1,000-mile ride in 24 hours in really bad weather, from Britain's top to Britain's tip, top to tip. Right, off we go. John O'Groat, Scotland, 7 p.m, 23rd October 1964. The first rider, Brian Crow, sets off. Right, straight through a blizzard. Reaches the first checkpoint 19 minutes early. Peter Gaunt takes over. Strong cold winds ride along with him. Gaunt reaches the next checkpoint 31 minutes early. But Pat Braithwaite, the next rider, wasn't ready. I say, what? Braithwaite finally takes over and speeds through the night. Reaches OULTON Park, where Jeff Duke was going to do some fast laps. Black ice and dead leaves shut the plan down. Braithwaite speeds on to Penkridge, where Bruce Mainsmith waits. Mainsmith rides on to Silverstone. Yes, that's Silverstone. Enter short-circuit ace John Cooper, who does 8 seriously fast laps. Hands it back to Mainsmith, who speeds down to Buff. Nice place, except the fuel stop attendant has gone to lunch. All that lead time cut down to just 16 minutes. Mainsmith rides on till Taunton, and then it's David Dixon. Just 151 miles more to Land's End. Dixon goes for it. It's 5:40 p.m. on the 24th of October 1964. 1,000 miles had been covered in 22 hours and 20 minutes. The Royal Enfield 250 Continental GT had arrived.
How surprising. Would you love any other series if you had 6 wins in a row in a different series? No, but he'd still like to go over and show them something over there that you might have said I couldn't do it, but I'll show you now. Absolutely. Well, and young Scott Pruitt goes from GTO and TTU